Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Plus. We got many requests in our Telegram channel and as personal for doing a video on genetic code. Today we are here to give you an amazing trick to remember genetic code. For this, we have to know how to write the genetic code chart. Genetic code is a 3-letter code. Let's look how to plot genetic code. This is the first letter of the triplet codon. And this is the second letter of the triplet codon, and here is the third letter of the triplet codon. Here you should remember the code UCAG, that is UCAG written vertically, UCAG horizontally, and when we write UCAG in the right side, we should give UCAG for each boxes. And now let's look how to write. Here the first letter is U, and the second letter is again U, and the third letter is again U. Next, UUC, UUA and UUG. Here make clear that first two letter does not change in any box. By applying this, we can easily complete this chart. Now look, if you want to fill this box, write GG for 4 times. And now repeat UCAG in order. Finally, when we complete the entire chart, we get genetic code dictionary containing 64 codon, which is sufficient to code for 20 amino acids. Out of this 64, 61 will code for amino acids and 3 act as stop codon or terminator. Here, UAG, UAA and UGA act as the stop codons or terminator. Once again, UAA, UAG, UGA act as the stop codons or terminator, and AUG act as the start codon. UAA, UAG, UGA act as the stop codons or terminator. AUG act as the start codon. Now we all know how to write this chart, but the real task here is to remember the amino acid which code for each triplet. And today here we are giving you an amazing trick to remember this. For this, here we have to remember these numbers. Let's call it as magic numbers. Just remember this magic number. For the first vertical column, we give 2, 1, 2, 1. These numbers just indicate that which are the types of amino acids present in each boxes. For the first vertical column, the magic number comes 2, 1, 2, 1. And for the second vertical column, it comes 1, 1, 1, 1. And for the third, it comes 2, 2, 2, 2. And for the last, it comes 3, 1, 2, 1. These numbers just indicate which are the type, how many types of amino acids are present in each box. For the first vertical column, it comes 2, 1, 2, 1. For the second, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, and last 3, 1, 2, 1. Just remember these magic numbers. And now let's look what are the mnemonics. Here is the first mnemonic for first vertical column. You remember the magic number 2121. And the mnemonic is Philu Ilu met at the valley. Remember that Philu and Ilu are two friends and they met at the valley. Philu Ilu met at the valley. Here Phi is for phenylalanine. Lu leucine, ilu, isoleucine, met for methionine, and val in the valley for valine. Philu, ilu, met at the valley. Here remember the magic number 2, 1, 2, 1. That is, here there is 2 amino acids. The triplet codons code for 2 amino acids, phenylalanine and leucine. Here this code for only just one amino acid, that is leucine. That this number indicate 1. And here 3 code for isoleucine and the 1 code for methionine, and here there is 2 amino acid and we give them number 2. And here it just code for only 1 amino acid, that is valine, and we give the number 1. Here is the mnemonic for second vertical column. That is, Seetal is a professor. Seetal is a professor. Here you remember one thing, that the pro in the professor comes in between C and Thal. That is, you don't worry about this word or about the meaning of this word. This is just a trick to remember this amino acids. That is, here the SC code for serine, pro for proline, TH code for threonine, and AL for alanine. Once again, Seetal is a professor, but the professor, pro in the professor comes in between C and Thal. C pro Thal. C SE for serine, PRO proline, code for proline, TH threonine, and AL alanine. Here the magic number is 1, 1, 1, 1. That is, each box contains codons which code for single amino acids. Here it code for serine only, here proline, threonine, and alanine. Here is the mnemonic for third vertical column. That is, Tyson stopped his glutamine analysis as per glucose increased. And once again saying that don't be worried about the meaning of the sentence. This is just a trick. Try to remember this one. Tyson stopped his glutamine analysis as per glucose increased. Here TY stand for tyrosine. Stop in the stopped. This is a stop codon. And here it is histidine. Glutamine simply code for glutamine. And here A for asparagine, L for lysine, and asper, this for aspartic acid. Glucose, glue in the glucose code for glutamic acid. Here don't be confused of this asparagine and aspartic acid. That is, in analysis, A is coding for asparagine and asper is coding for aspartic acid. And also don't be confused of glutamine and glucose. Glutamine simply code for glutamine itself and glucose for glutamic acid. Tyson stopped his glutamine analysis as per glucose increased. And here the magic number is 2, 2, 2, 2. That means each box contain each box contain codons which are coding for 2 amino acids. That is here tyrosine, and there is a 2 stop codons. And the next there is histidine and glutamine, and asparagine and lysine, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Here is the mnemonic for last vertical column. That is, sisters stopped trip of Arjun with senior arrogant girls. Sisters stopped trip of Arjun with senior arrogant girls. Sisters sounds for cysteine. Next one is a stop codon and stop. Here stop is for stop codon. Trip for tryptophan. A in Arjun for arginine. With senior, SE stands for serine. Again, arrogant, A for arginine, and G in girls for glycine. Sisters stopped trip of Arjun with senior arrogant girls. Cysteine, the next one is a stop codon, tryptophan, arginine, serine, again arginine, and glycine. Here the magic number is 3121. Here the first two code for cysteine, and the next one is a stop codon, and again there is a triplet codon which code for tryptophan. Here there is only one amino acid, that is codons only code for one amino acid, that is arginine. Here there is two, serine and arginine. Here there is only one, that is glycine. Okay guys, I think it's clear. Everyone is saying that genetic code is a very tough portion. But you just try to study by applying this trick, and I hope you can make it easy. Give your feedback in the comment box, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.